coil wrapping machine. Connect the air compressor to the machine. Load the stretch film or wrapping roll into the film holder of the machine. Turn on the main power switch of the coil wrapping machine. After that, activate the emergency switch. This ensures safety and activates the full control system. Use the control panel to set parameters like speed, film tension, overlap, and the number of wrapping layers. Place the coil securely on the rotating platform and ensure it rests properly on the rollers. Press the start button to begin the wrapping process. The coil begins rotating while the wrapping ring moves around it, applying the film evenly. The machine wraps the coil in smooth and uniform layers at high speed. After the wrapping is complete, the machine automatically stops and cuts the film using its built-in cutter. You can customize the wrapping speed, film tension, and number of layers depending on the size and type of coil. This machine significantly improves packaging efficiency, reduces manual labor, and ensures a clean and professional finish. After completing the first coil, simply repeat the same process for the next one, load, wrap, and you are done. The machine is specially designed for wrapping round products like wire coils, hoses, and pipes. The rollers provide even support and smooth rotation to the coil, ensuring the stretch film is applied flat, tight, and wrinkle-free. This results in a clean, professional, and uniform wrapping finish. Once wrapped, the coil is fully protected and ready for storage or dispatch.